It's Halloween tonight. I'm gonna dress up as a witch. Found it. Scary costume. Green cat, I'm coming to get you.
Yellow cat, don't scare me.
Green cat, it's Halloween.
Halloween is scary and I'm scared of ghosts.
Okay, I'm going on my own. Happy Halloween. That castle is haunted. Oh yes, stairs. Big doors. It looks a bit spooky. There's no such thing as ghosts.
Yellow cat's in trouble. I need my Halloween costume.
That moaning. Ghost, go away.
It's alright, Yellow cat, I'm coming.
It's Pink Cat's voice. She's not frightened.
What a spooky place. It's alright, Yellow cat, I'm here.
There's ghosts. It was horrible.
Yellow cat, I know you're frightened.
We've got to hide.
A secret staircase. There's no way out.
The ghosts are coming.
It's a long way down.
Pink Cat, where are we?
We're in a village.
There's Lily.
Happy Halloween.
Lily, I've been to the haunted castle.
Haunted castle?
The ghost frightened me.
Wow, scary ghosts.
But Pink Cat is looking after me.
You mean rescue you? I'm not scared.
The trick-or-treater snack gone. Vanished.
Haunted castle? I was wrong.
Lily's in trouble. I need my Halloween costume. Don't be frightened, Lily.
It's only Green Cat wearing a Halloween costume. Happy Halloween, Green Cat.
Did you get loads of sweets?
Not yet.
Trick or treat.
Yellow cat friends and sisters, happy Halloween.
Just one, Lolly.
Can I have this yellow one?
Yes, more sweets.
Thanks for the Halloween sweets, Monty. Bye-bye, Monty.
Bye, Monty. Happy Halloween.
Have a good Halloween.
Thank you for watching me and happy Halloween.